Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shikra. So we have a handbag unboxing today. So I picked up a new bag from Valentino, so let's get into it. So I picked up the bag from Farfetch, as you guys can see. So that's why it does not have the box, but it does come with the dust bag and all that. But yes, Farfetch is a great place, to pick up new handbags. Any guesses on what I picked out and what color I picked out? Alright, so we have the bag right here. I feel like you could probably guess if you're into Valentino. Okay, so let's see. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Maybe take off the wrapping on the handle. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Love this. And it's so nice and sturdy. Alright, so inside, it just has wrapping paper. And it also has the chain, because there is a gold chain. So this is the gold chain. Nice. If you want to wear it long, rather than maybe top handle, because this is detachable. So you could definitely wear this 3 ways. I think you could do a clutch. You could do it like this, or you could just wear it with this. So pick this up in their purple color. Look how beautiful this is. Love this, love this. Okay, so the name of this bag is their local leather shoulder bag. So this is their small from Valentino. So I picked up this color because I do have a pair of heels that I do not have an exact bag that really matches. So I was looking for a bag that was in this type of color. And then I came across this on Farfetch and I was like, perfect, great. Nice, and it's kind of dainty. It's not too structured. Does that make sense? I mean, it's not too big. That's what I mean. It's not too big. I feel like this is a great bag that you could style with a lot of different looks, and it can be really versatile as long as you have the color palette in mind. So this is a smooth leather. I believe this is a calf leather, so calf leather, gold tone hardware, and like I said, you can detach this in order to wear and use whatever type of chain you want with it. And I think that's it as far as specs for this bag. I mean, it's 100% calf leather. Yeah, and it's the size small for this bag. So this is great, because I knew if I picked up a medium or a large, I wouldn't wear it, because I don't normally wear shoulder bags, and I feel like if I had gotten the medium, I wouldn't have worn it as a shoulder bag. I don't know, it has to be a particular type of bag for me to wear it as a shoulder bag, if that makes any sense. And I can definitely see myself just carrying it like this, and I doubt I'll even use this long strap, but I'll just use this long chain. I said strap, well, chain, strap, interchangeable, I guess. But yes, I picked this up. I love it. It's so cute. And I feel like this is a color that most of you guys would say, okay, this is a little bit more like spring and summer. And I do agree. But like I said, I wanted to get a bag to match those shoes. So I'm covered with that, the shoes now. One thing I am going to pay particular attention to is just making sure it doesn't scratch, because the leather is beautiful and it is smooth. I'm just going to be extra careful to make sure I don't scratch it or anything like that. I don't want any marks on it. So definitely going to watch out for that as I wear this bag. And then of course I'll give you guys a full 6-month review of this bag and whether or not I like it. The bag does not have any feet. This is what it looks like at the bottom. So if you are in you like bags with feet, this doesn't really have it. It doesn't have a back pocket either. Inside, like I showed earlier, it's just like this, and then it has that one back flap over here. I think this is the card to, let's see what this is. I know this is just Valentino card, and then I'll look into these cards later. even though this is a small bag, it is roomy, like inside, you know, it's definitely roomy. Let me see if I can fit my phone. Yeah, I can definitely fit my phone and everything. It's not like ridiculously small. Yeah, it's not like a micro bag. It's a small, so it should still be able to fit your phone and all that good stuff and like your necessities as well. So I feel like this is a dreamy bag, but not too dreamy that it's like, you know, too feminine, if that makes sense. I feel like this is a really good in-between bag if you want something dreamy, but not over the top, especially in this color. So as of now, this is my second bag from Valentino. The first bag I have, I do like that one, and the leather is holding up and it is looking nice. So I do have hopes, you know, high hopes for the leather on this bag, that it's also going to do what it's supposed to do. So close up of the bag one more time for you guys. So this bag is like, I think like 2,000 something. I'll try to put the price down below in the description box for you guys, but I think this is like 2,000 something. I don't remember how much I picked it up for, but I will try to give you guys that. So, okay, so I hope you guys liked my unboxing of my new bag from Valentino. Let me know if you have this bag already and do you like it, do you recommend it? Let me know. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If this is your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and come back for more videos, and also please make sure to hit the like button as well. Bye.